When I'm worried and I can't sleep, I count my blessings instead of sheep, and I fall asleep counting my blessings. When my bankroll is getting small, I think of when I had none at all, and I fall asleep counting my blessings. We're all going through a lot right now, but as long as we wake up each day, the family is complete, and we're still eating 3 square meals a day, then it's time to count our blessings. Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to make Dr. J's Pork Salpicao. So here are the ingredients: tenderloin pork, combination black pepper and salt, sesame oil, button mushrooms, garlic, butter, Worcestershire sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Now we're going to put the black pepper and salt, and sesame oil, and some of the garlic, and we're going to let it marinate the pork for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to mix it very well so that the flavors get into the pork. Let's add more garlic. Now we're going to make the sauce mixture while waiting for the pork. So we mix the oyster sauce with Worcestershire sauce, and then a little sugar. We're not going to consume all the sugar first. We're going to make it to taste, depending on the taste. No? Now we're going to start frying the pork. First we'll put a dash of oil, just a dash of oil. That'll be enough. Because we're going to put butter. Then we'll put the garlic, put all of the garlic. Now we're going to take the garlic out. We're going to take the fried garlic out. Now we're going to put more butter. We're also going to use the oil where the garlic was fried, essentially making this garlic butter oil. Now we're going to put the pork in. Now we're going to put the sauce. That's a mixture of Worcestershire and oyster sauce and brown sugar. And we're going to put the button mushrooms and fry it all up. Mix it all up. Now we're going to put some of the garlic back in. And then we're going to keep on stirring until the sauce is almost dry. So we've been doing this for about 10 minutes now, and the sauce is almost dried up. So for all intensive purposes, we're done. We're going to show you the final product later on. Asleep, counting my blessings. I think about... A lot of people have messaged me to come up with an easier recipe. Well, this was an easy one. Dr. J's special pork salpicao. I'd like to thank my son again, my director and my videographer, Nicolo de Guzman. Please click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nicolo has a YouTube channel of his own, Photogenic. Like I said at the start, we're all going through a lot right now. But as long as the family is together, we're surviving, we're eating 3 square meals a day, then there's a whole lot to be thankful for. I think about a nursery and I picture curly heads, and all at once I count them as they slumber in their beds. When you're worried and you can't sleep, just count your blessings instead of sheep, and you'll fall asleep counting your blessings. God bless and protect everyone. I'll see you again soon. You'll fall asleep counting your